Ashika ma'am, can you suggest me what are the opportunities are there in Axis Bank, like for women's and only for operations only?
The CTC will be 4.4 LPA for this. This will be the complete package for it.
Hello everyone. In today's scenario, girls are fed up with the field work, or else they want to do something extra, like they only want to work in operations only. So, in today's scenario, we will discuss about some of the few bank which they are having operations work. Like as we have heard about Axis Bank, they are hiring for female candidate. So let's go through with Ashika ma'am. She will explain us all about the things. Ma'am, Ashika ma'am, can you suggest me what are the opportunities are there in Axis Bank, like for women's and only for operations only?
Okay, yes. Hi, Pranshu, and hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about one exciting opportunity in India's leading brands like Axis. In Axis, we have one program, Axis Bank's Operations Program. This is exclusively for women candidates, and this is based only on operations profile.
Ma'am, actually, I just want to know. Firstly, what is the CTC in this?
Okay, the CTC will be 4.4 LPA for this. This will be the complete package for it.
Is it for the only girls? Female candidates only can apply, or else?
Yes, female candidates can apply for this.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you explain me this scenario that what are the procedure, eligibility criteria?
Okay, I'm going to tell you about the whole procedure, and you can check it through the link given in the description. Here is the link, guys. You can check it from here. And as I told you, the CTC will be 4.4 LPA for this, and the duration for the program will be 3 months. Okay, and as I told you, only female candidates can apply in this. Okay.
So, ma'am, what is the process in this?
Okay guys, after filling the application form, there will be assessments of level 1 and 2. Then there will be a campus training at Manipal Academy of BFSI Bangalore. And after that, you are eligible to
Ma'am,
join
can
the
you tell
Axis Bank.
me, in this campus training program, what kind of training period is this?
Okay, here you will be told about all the software and technologies used in the banking field, and the customer behavior, the relations we are building in the banking sector. Everything will be taught at there for your personal and professional growth.
Okay. So, after completing the campus training, you will be getting a job opportunity in Axis Bank.
Yes, 100%. This is a 100% placement program, and if you are qualifying the assessment, you are reaching to the campus, you are finally selected in the program Axis Operations, and you will get the exciting job at Axis Bank. Okay, I will tell you some more details about it. As I told you previously also that Manipal has professionally taught approximate 2 lakh candidates in past few years, and if you are getting the training at Bangalore campus, this is going to be the life-changing moment for you. And I will tell you about some more things. As I told you, it is established in 2008, the academy, and we have trained 2 lakh plus professionals in the industry, and currently we are working with 50 plus leading banks in financial sector, insurance also, and as you also know about Axis, it is working from
The
1994.
number of professionals are working, 50 branches are working under it, huh? 50 plus branches.
50 plus leading banks we are
Banks?
hiring.
Oh, really?
Okay, and this is
Okay.
also working in insurance profile on non-banking financial organizations everywhere. So if you guys are enrolling in this program as a woman, it is going to be a life-changing opportunity for you guys. So just fill your application fast, and we will process your application as soon as possible. Link is in the description. Check it out.
Guys, hurry up. The things are gonna be filled. There will be no seats for you.
I will handle your process. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.